Welcome back to Buy or Buy. Today we are diving into the world of dishwashers, and not just any dishwashers. It's the silent war between two heavyweights, the Bosch 300 series 24-inch and the Meiji 7000 series G7156. Both promise sportless dishes and whisper quiet performance, but which one deserves a spot in your kitchen? Let's find out. Design and build. The Bosch 300 series keeps the thing sleek and minimal, a stainless steel interior, a simple front panel and that signature Euro tub design. It's built to last and looks great in modern kitchens. The Meiji G7000 on the other hand is a luxury machine through and through. It feels premium from controls to the hinges. So if style and build quality matter most, the Meiji edges ahead, but Bosch still offers amazing quality for the price, performance and features. When it comes to cleaning, both brands shine. The Bosch 300 series gives you 5 wash cycles and options like Speed 60 and Extra Dry. It can fit up to 13 place settings and runs at just 44 decibels, quite enough for open kitchens. Meanwhile, the Meiji 7000 brings futuristic tech, auto-dose detergent dispensing, sensor washing and smart connectivity. Its drying performance is phenomenal, even plastics come out spotless. The Meiji is smarter, but Bosch gets the job done just as well for hundreds less, noise and efficiency. Both are whisper quiet. Bosch averages 44 decibel, while Meiji can go even quieter. Energy Star ratings, both have them. Bosch uses 269 kWh per year, while Meiji tops charts for water and energy efficiency. For faster cycles though, Bosch Speed 60 takes the win, price and verdict. Here is where it matters. Bosch 300 series cost around $699 USD, while Meiji G7000 can cost $1,500 USD. So if you want value, quiet performance and reliability, go Bosch. If you want prestige, smart tech and top-tier build, go Meiji. Outro. So what would you buy? The Value King Bosch or the Premium Prince Meiji? Let us know in the comments. Links to both models are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more smart home face-offs on Buy or Buy.